guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. The weekend is about to be here. Cannot wait. But today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box for August of 2019. If you don't know what Allure is, it is a $15 a month beauty subscription where you get sample size, sometimes full-size products. So when you open the box, this is always what it looks like. You get a small magazine, pamphlet, and then your bag of goodies, which it looks really packed this month. So that's always a good thing. So I do like the Allure box. It has become one of the ones that I look forward to coming every month. So we're going to go ahead and just get inside here and see what it is in here. Last month we had the hot pink, the hot pink bag. This month it's like a greenish colored bag. So we're just going to open it up and see what's in here. The first thing I'm pulling out is the mini makeup eraser. Let's see what they say about this. Okay. The mini eraser, makeup eraser, the mini in black. I got this soft swatch of cloth as a stocking stuffer last year, and I've been obsessed ever since. You just wet the fabric and it takes off an entire face of makeup with a few passes over your skin. It even gets rid of waterproof mascara in 2 or 3 swipes. I love how gentle it feels, and it's more eco-friendly than disposable face wipes. So that is one of the good things about makeup erasers. You don't have to go through makeup wipes. And it's super cute. Super tiny, but super cute. So there it is. It is soft feeling. The price is $12. I will have to look up and see if that is for the mini, or I'm wanting to say the full size is $20, but I will look that up and I will put it somewhere right here. And you can get this at makeuperaser.com. If you enter Allure25 at checkout, you will receive 25% off your order. And it's valid from June 15th of 2019 to December 31st of 2019. So, if you use makeup erasers, there is a code to save you some money. Wash, wet, erase, and exfoliate. So, I can't wait to try this. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we have the mini makeup eraser. The next thing I am pulling out is by Primera. This is an Alpine Berry Water Cream. Korea is known as a hotbed of beauty disruption, not so much as a leader in clean, nature-sourced formulas. But wait, on a recent trip to somewhere, I found one store, Primera, filled with plants. The skincare products inside were clean and infused with nutrients from seeds. This moisturizer is Primera's best seller, so of course I had to have it. The bouncy gel cream feels rich but absorbs fast, so it's a perfect primer. It hydrates intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. Within 6 weeks of my return home, my jar was cleaned out and my skin was thirsty for more. Luckily, it's finally available in the US. So the full price of this is $40. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And you can get it at Sephora.com. It does have the false bottom, but that is what that is. And it's got a really nice smell to it. And it's just a white cream, but it has an amazing smell to it. So I can't wait to try that. So, a water gel, or water cream. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Benefit. This is They're Real. Benefit They're Real Mascara. The name is no joke. This is my ultimate Is She Wearing Falsies mascara. Gives the lashes a ton of length. It takes them all the way to my brow bones, makes them super dark, doesn't smudge or flake or rub off on my brow bones, even on sweaty summer days. Usually do 2 coats, which makes my eyes look bigger and brighter. The mascara is truly maximum effect with minimum effort. But if you're into a spiky lash look, you can easily achieve it by layering on lots of coats. I've discovered that makes lashes stick together without looking crunchy or clumpy. So the full size price of this is $25. And you can get it at benefitcosmetics.com. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And it does have a super pointy, spiky brush. And it also has the little ball tip, which I like, to get those fine little inner eyelashes I seem to have trouble with. And this is in black. So, mascara. The next thing we have is from Cargo. There we go. It's from Cargo. Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color. Essential lip colors are creamy with intense pigmentation, 1 coat done, and a vibrancy that makes my lips look plumper. The color stays fresh and fun for hours. You'll get 1 of 11 shades in your box. And the full size of this is $22, which I'm wanting to say that this is a full size. You can get this at cargocosmetics.com. And the code is enter A Beauty Summer at checkout to receive a free Swimmables eye pencil and 15% off your order. Limit 1 use per customer. Offer valid August 1st through October 15th. So you still have a little time to actually use that code. This is a very shiny case. It does say Cargo right here. I don't know if it's picking that up. Probably not. But anyway, this is the color that I received. And it is called Sedona. Ooh. And there is that color swatched. So it's an orangish red color, which is alright. So, full-size lipstick. Pretty cool. Then we have these, which are Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. The masks are 2 curved patches made of translucent hydrogel. When they're on, they give the appearance of severely moisturized cheeks, but are otherwise discreet. I find them perfectly acceptable for brightening in the corporate workplace or any other situation that requires long periods of stillness. On my face, they feel very wet and lukewarm, which is relaxing, and they leave my under eyes looking dewier and more awake. So the full size of these is $35, and you can buy them at ErnoLazlo.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your entire order. Offer is valid from August 1st through October 1st of 2019. I will look these up and see how many come. We are out of focus. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I will look these up and see how many come. in a package, I'm guessing, because it can't be $35 for one. So I will look that up. If I find anything, I will put it right down here on the bottom of your screen. So wish me all the best of finding that. The next thing we have is by Allure. I do like this company. This is Allure Liquid Beam in Topaz. This glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow has a glossy wet finish, very sexy glam, and goes on sheer but is buildable. I like brushing my bronzer over my lids, then tapping this in the center for a reflective metallic look that's made for summer. When I want an all-over bronze effect, I'll also add a little to the inner corners of my eyes to make them look bigger, and use it very lightly as a highlight on my Cupid's bow. You can also wear it all over your lids or all by itself for the perfect one-step night out look. This is full size. The price of this is $22. You can buy it at Laritzi.com. And if you enter Allure19 at checkout, you receive 30% off all Liquid Beam. Limit 1 use per customer. It's valid from May 6th through September 30th of 2019. This is what that looks like outside of the box. It is a very pretty gold color. And there's what that looks like. It is very sheer, but it is also very pretty. Let's see if we can build that up like it says. So, there you go. And if you want to just tap it out to sheer it out, oh yeah, that would make a nice highlighter also. It is very shimmery, so that's cool. And eyeshadow, highlighter, I can work with that. And then the last thing in our bag is this, and this is the Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. This eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. That can wrinkle delicate under eyes and helps spread the product evenly. The antioxidant-rich formula absorbs quickly and wears well under makeup. Unlike a lot of other eye creams, it doesn't crease my concealer. It also helps bring down morning puffiness right away and moisturizes to visibly plump, fine lines. Plus, I like how easily I can read the ingredients: cucumber, ginseng, and not a single word I can't pronounce. So that's pretty neat. The full size of this is $40. You can buy it at nuriabeauty.com. Enter Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order. That offer is valid from August 1st through December 31st of 2019. This is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounce US. I will see if I can look this up and see if this is full size or not. I do have a face cleaner by this company that I got in a glossy box, which we don't talk about. But I did like that face cleaner, and I still use it to this day. So I'm excited to try. There's that cool little tip that they were talking about. I'm excited to try this eye cream since I'm such a fan of the face wash. And it does smell just like the face wash. It is a thick cream, but not too thick. And it feels very hydrating, so. And it does have a nice, pleasant smell. I like the smell of this face wash, so I, of course, like the smell of the eye cream, too. So that was our box, our Allure box for August of 2019. That was a pretty good box. Allure is kicking it out of the park lately. It's just gotten better and better and better. So we got the eye cream, the eyeshadow highlighter. We got the lipstick, the mascara, the iPads, the mini makeup eraser. I need another hand. And then the water cream. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products this month, which is great. Some of these I have tried, they're real, but the rest of this I have not tried. The makeup eraser, of course, I have tried, but mine was just a sample size, so I'm excited to try one that's bigger than this. So, and then the eye cream, I'm always down for an eye cream. The liquid beam, we'll see how that does as a eyeshadow or a highlighter. And then the lipstick, I like the color. So, and I don't have anything by Cargo, so that's nice. So, I'm very happy with my Allure box this month. I do want to tell you I'm wearing the Poppy by Beccas on my lips today. That is what that color looks like. For this, I put it over my Huda Beauty lip liner that I got from my Ipsy Glam bag in Trophy Wife. I'm also wearing the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker on my eyes, minus the top, which I am wearing the Estate eyeshadow in Pipe. And I love that color. I like the orange. Like I've said, orange is my favorite color. And I think it turned out great. So, if you get Allure, comment down below and let me know what you got in your box. Are we twins? Did everybody get the same thing? I can now go watch some of the unboxings of my people. I am trying really hard not to do that anymore, but sometimes it still happens. Either way, I loved the Allure box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great day. If you are, and you did like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you come join our family. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.